Input versus output devices. Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. In this video, we will understand how we communicate with a computer using input and output devices. Input devices are used to give data to the computer. Output devices are used to receive results from the computer. For example, a keyboard and mouse are input devices because we use them to send instructions. A monitor and printer are output devices because they show us the result. Think of it like a conversation. When you speak, that is input. When you listen, that is output. Here is a simple flow. You give input using a keyboard, the computer processes it, and then it shows the result on the screen. To summarize, input devices send data to the computer, and output devices receive